English में करें. Friends, let me just summarize what I've said in English. As Mr. Venugopal has said, this delegation of all these people standing here with us, we had a detailed representation to the Election Commission. We have told them and we have demonstrated according to us, beyond doubt and beyond any matter of controversy, that the RO has passed a perverse order. A order akin to writing 2 plus 2 is equal to 7, not 5. Why do I say so? The Election Commission's own law, the Representation of People's Act, has a section 33A, which says that you have to disclose. This is a requirement of only disclosure. But first, you have to disclose only those cases which have a punishment of more than 2 years. But above all, only those cases where charges have been framed. The process of framing charges is a judicial process. A judge frames charges. Now, as a kindergarten or first year law student knows, the first step is a private complaint. That private complaint may be baseless, may have no legs to stand on. So the second stage is the taking of cognizance by the magistrate, a judicial element, an independent element. He may or may not take cognizance. There is an amendment to the law which says that before Mr. Judge you take cognizance, you must issue notice to the potential accused. Ms. Natarajan only received a notice to come to the court and tell the court why cognizance should not be taken. That means the notice she received was before any cognizance was taken. Number 3, any kindergarten and first year law student knows that without cognizance, no criminal case exists in the eyes of law. There is no criminal case merely if I allege something against somebody else without a cognizance taken. Number 4 is more absurd. You have rejected Ms. Natarajan's nomination on the non-existence of even cognizance, which means there is no criminal case which she could have disclosed. But you have done it at the first stage, whereas the section which I have just read to you, 33A, says that after cognizance, if it is taken, then there will be investigation. After investigation, there will be charge sheet. That is not enough. The section says after charge sheet, the judge must frame charges. Had the judge reached the stage of framing charges, she would be obliged to disclose. It is a bizarre thing that the RO has rejected it, saying that there is cognizance. The word used is sangyan in the RO's order.